What's the meaning of bye? Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. The word bye is an abbreviated form of the word goodbye, which is commonly used to express a polite farewell or parting greeting. It is often used at the end of a conversation or social interaction to indicate that one is leaving or that the conversation is coming to an end. The word bye has become widely popularized and is recognized as a simple way to say goodbye in casual communication. It is used across various cultures and languages, and has become an important aspect of our modern language and communication.